What is up, YouTube friends? My dear Journey here with another installment in the unboxing series. Excuse the mess here, just got out of the shower. Right behind me, I have the incredible Superman premium figure that I've been waiting for to arrive. That finally came in. I am still waiting for that Cheetah one that's going with that Wonder Woman right there. I am super excited to unbox this guy right here. I've mentioned before that I have Wonder Woman. I got Superman, and I'm waiting for Batman. That should be coming in sometime next month, I believe. Without any further delay, let's get to the unboxing. So I just went ahead and got this guy out of the box. This big shipment box that came in. But in here we have a note that says product inside. So it's actually got two different things in there. I'm gonna go ahead and open this part, the top part. And the first thing we are greeted with is the cape. Pretty cool. I believe it's poseable too. Yes, there's some wiring right in here where you can change it up, different angles to best suit however you want to display it. Go ahead and get this guy out of there. It's a pretty big cape, actually. That is pretty cool. Looks like a bat symbol, actually. I like it. Alright, so this is what the inside looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and begin by getting some of the pieces one by one and explain them for you guys. Let me start off with body. This is pretty cool because the last Wonder Woman one that I got, the upper body was separate from the lower body, but this one, Superman's already attached to his body. I love the detail. It's kind of heavy. Now, something you can't really tell from the camera is this is pretty shiny. I like it. Like I said, I love the detail on the muscles. The texture's pretty good. I like the shoes. The red boots, I mean. The belt's pretty cool too. It looks like some kind of like feminine pose right there. Them legs. It's kind of heavy. I don't know if I mentioned that already. But that's the body. We'll go ahead and put that aside for now. Let's see what else we got over here. So we have one of the hands. I guess this is the other hand. One is closed fist. The other one is open, so pretty cool. Let me go with this part over here. Here we have the face. He looks pretty upset at you, like you did something wrong, so he's about to come get you. I like the detail. The eyes are pretty cool. The hair is always one of my favorite features in any figurine because I know it probably takes like a lot of work to detail that kind of stuff. Put that aside for now. Alright, next thing we got over here. Let me go with this over here. Now, the figure, I probably should have mentioned earlier, but he is standing on top of what appears to be Brainiac's like ship or something. And he just conquered it or whatnot. I was just taped down. This guy's gonna have to take it out. I'm really not a fan of that squeaky sound that the styrofoam makes. That's pretty cool. Little applause right there. We have another one. Sometimes I wonder how long, like how much time it takes to make one of these, especially if it's like hand painted. Again, it's pretty shiny. It's got a really, hang on, it's got like a very nice dark metallic look to it. Feels like it too, but it's pretty cool. I don't know what's going on here. Definitely looks like it got destroyed by Superman. It's kind of like a worm, one of those like insects. Like these are the eyes, and that's his little pincers. pretty cool. All right, last thing we have is this guy. I feel like. Let me try. Yep, this one is heavy. Whoa, look at that. Again, this is a very nice green, like green lantern shade kind of green. I really love this. That's pretty cool. Superman premium for my figure. 988 out of 3,000. Just got out of there. Nothing there. I like these. You can tell it's shiny. I like shiny things. Yeah, that's definitely been destroyed from Brainiac. Nothing here lights up. Unlike that other woman one that had the fires lighting for Hades, this one doesn't light up at all or anything. I think it would have been pretty cool, but nope. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one down because it's kind of heavy. But again, it looks like it got destroyed in battle against Superman. I'm gonna go ahead and start assembling this so you guys can see how it looks like. So this is the finished product, guys. I think it looks really incredible and pretty cool. The cape I will adjust later on. I just want to put it on, see how it looks like for now. The back looks like this. Like how the cape gives it like a flowing emotion, like he just landed after a fight. In the back, you got the little claws, little Brainiac's tentacles thingy just here. It attaches pretty easily. This is honestly a lot easier, way more easier to set up than the Wonder Woman one I got last time. I think it is incredible. It is heavy, quite heavy. I love it. What I love about this whole thing is just the detail. It is really, really well detailed. Like that hand, the closed fist, is ready to knock someone out. And there you have it, guys. And there you have it. That would be it for today's unboxing video. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. Like I mentioned before, this guy was a lot more easier to set up and assemble than the Wonder Woman one I got last time. For my next one, it's going to be either Batman or Cheetah. It's kind of like a race right now. I'm kind of excited. Trying to see which one's going to arrive here first. Let me know in the comments if you guys have any collections going on yourselves. Who your favorite superhero is, villain, anti-hero, supporting character, etc. I will see you guys on my next unboxing video. Like always, until then, take care. Thank you guys for viewing. Bye-bye.